Hey everyone, it's Andrew Howell here from RE/MAX Sarnia Realty. I'd love to introduce 1031 Arbor Court and my top 5 favorite things. Coming in at number 1 is this secluded, deeded beach access just down the road. Summertime will be your favorite season.
We go higher to the sky, reaching up, but I can't fly. You said you'd follow me.
And coming in at number 2 is this peaceful backyard, large enough for the kids to play. And number 3 is this prime North End Sarnia location, walking distance to Sunripe and great schools. And number 4 is this large living room, big enough for family gatherings. And number 5 are the 4 generous bedrooms, including this large primary bedroom with an ensuite bathroom.